In the heart of Ireland's countryside, careful stewardship of the land by our conservation groups ensures a thriving habitat where wildlife and humans coexist in harmony. Here, pheasants roam freely across restored fields and hedgerows, a living testament to habitat management and the dedication of those who care for our natural surroundings. Through predator control and winter feeding, these fields support not only game birds, but countless other creatures, strengthening the delicate balance of nature. Cover crops and thoughtful land management provide shelter and sustenance, allowing wildlife to flourish and our landscapes